Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush, and today I am going to explain an add-on that automatically saves and loads data in your game. And I have also provided some notes that help you make UI that automatically save and load data in your game, of course. So let me show you what is this add-on. So add-on name is extras. It's called extras because it is extra nodes, extra functions and some extra other things. So this this add-on provides extra functions, buttons, and other nodes that saves and loads data. Also provides game UI sound. So first, make sure that you have extras folder in under add-ons folder. After that, add this global variable ef. That is very important because my main script heavily depends on this name. So just go to your project settings. Now from general, go to globals. After that, go to auto load. Then write a name. Oops, write a name here. EF, which is extra functions, and add the path to it, which is from add-on to extras to extra functions.gd. After that, run main scene from main.ascn from add-ons extras demo UI. So let's run it. And by the way, these two are not available in the whenever I uploaded the project. So let's hide them. And here you go. We ran the project. But after that, make in-game changes, quit, run again, change, check if previous settings are loaded. That means we should change some settings after running the game. Must change some settings. Let's disable all of these settings except shadows. Let's turn off the, let's keep the full screen on. Let's keep the full screen on. Let's recover FOV and FPS will be 60. Hmm, okay, like this. And audio, let's crank up the master sound, reduce the player sound, UI sound, and let's see if these settings are saved after we close and relaunch the game. So yes, these settings are absolutely saved, as you can see. And let's say what after that. Okay, so that was our setup. And after doing this setup, we have some nodes. So what nodes do we have in my add-on? First node, which is node save load data. That means it is direct extension of our node, this base node. And uh, I have added two variables, which is data and data file name. I have gave the data integer 13 and data file name is int5. And after on top of that, we have to add a script to save and load the data. Whenever we run the game, in whenever we run this demo scene, we are running this script save and load. So whenever we run this uh, function here, save, the data will be saved in the data file name, and whenever we load the game, the data will be loaded inside the integer from the data file name. Or we can do this print print. Can we do this? Let's see. Quit the game. Okay, there you go, 13. And this here, so now let's not to get distracted. So this is self-explanatory. This is button with sound. I have used this button with sound for this here. There it is. Settings, controls. Okay. So these are buttons with sound. All these four. And to use this sound, you must have this node here, which is btn sound button sound in your main scene. It must be in your main scene. To if you want any sound, you can change this thing here, but you cannot change the name, and you cannot definitely cannot change the uh this node type. And button with sound. After that we have button change scene. That means we will change the scene with this button. And okay, controls, not controls, sorry, this one here. So as you can see, we have scene path. If we add scene path here, the scene will change to that path, and that's how it works. Oops, this. Okay, so button change scene. After that we have some checkboxes, some edge sliders, input key editor. It will change the input key on based on what uh, input action you have given it, like this. Okay, where it is controls. So as you can see, UI up and up. The key name will be here, and input action name will be here. And when you play the game, you can see UI up is W, UI down is S, UI left is A, and vice versa. You can add custom uh, actions in here or in here to be specific. After that, we have line edit autosaver, and I should have kept them together. Let me just fix it. Okay, text editor, line edit editor. Let me just cut it. And okay, this control V, preview. Okay, so first let's do this. Okay, we have quit button, we have input key button. Quit button is self-explanatory. It means we will quit the game whenever we press the button. Then we have option button, that is this button, this button, this button, and this button. These are all option buttons. And we have slider, V slider. I have shown you that. And let's see text and line edit tool. And now these two things are not in your these two things are not inside your demo because I forgot to add them, but you can add them yourself. You can see here, you can write anything you want and it will get saved. Quit game, run again, and you can see these are saved. Also it can work as code executor, like 1 plus 1 answer is 2. Let's remove this answer, and same for line edit tool, 1 plus 2, shift enter 3, and quit the game. So this is how it works. This is how it works. And we have some functions too: save data, load data, execute string, add key to input action, and things like that. Remove a key from input action, remove all keys from input action, and find device type. I should have gave the name find device type, but it gives you your device type. So yes, currently these functions and these nodes are available in the game. And yes, this is how it works. And this will be my last video on this add-on. And yeah, okay. Use this add-on, go to GitHub. If you are lucky, you will directly see it in the asset library, but currently it is not. So yes, goodbye and keep making games.